Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog today. How you guys are doing? And if you are watching our video for the very first time, my name is Precious. I'm a mom of 3 beautiful kids, 2 boys and 1 girl, and this is our family channel. For our subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to watch our videos. We love you and we appreciate you. Mind the way I'm talking on my nose. I just wake up this morning, Monday. I'm supposed to take the kids to school. Today's supposed to be the first day of school for them, but because of the snow, everything is cancelled. The road is cancelled. Please don't mind, that is my baby. You can see how she's coming down from upstairs. She just wake up now. Everything is cancelled. Guys, I'm just going to show you what is happening outside. We are expecting. Oh, you sweetheart. How are you? How was the night? You sleep good?
I need my rabbit. Baby rabbit.
I'm going to make your hair today. Okay?
Baby rabbit. Yeah.
So guys, as I was saying, I wake up and when I see the outside, I say yes. That's why they cancel everything. Even though I'm supposed to go to store today, I don't think I can go because the old school, before they used to say, if you want to bring your kid to school by yourself, you are bringing it, but things are cancelled. But today, Mommy, I'm talking. Yeah, your kitchen, you can cook. Make breakfast for me. So guys, sorry about that. My battery for 3 days now, I'm using this camera and I've not charged the battery. I just remember now that you have not charged the battery. I just saw the red light and it went off. So I'm gonna try to charge it. I don't charge the battery every time, but the battery lasts for me. So guys, before I talk too much, I'm just gonna show you what is going on outside so you guys can see what is going on, because this is too much. Oh, maybe the snow, all the snow we didn't receive last year because we didn't receive much snow. I did it on my video that I just uploaded yesterday that we don't have too much snow, but it's too cold. You guys see my Christmas tree is still there. I'm going to try to take it out today. I just want to show you outside, guys. See if you can see it very well. Yeah, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to go outside and show you what is going on. Mommy. She thought I'm going out. Yeah? Guys, open it slowly so you can see. You see? It's coming here. And we are expecting 20 to 40. Guys, you see? Look at still at the door. Last year by this time, you cannot open the door. See snow. See snow here. And according to them, it's just started. Throughout today, it's going to snow. Look at our van. If I can zoom it. You see the van? You see the heavy snow at the front? See? God help us. So, that is it. But the boys, they are doing their online school upstairs. You are the doctor. Hey, look at my doctor, Isabel. Guys, I don't know if you can see Isabel. Yeah, she's a doctor. She's taking care of her patient. Hey, Dr. Isabel, I'm coming, okay? Dr. Isabel. Yeah, I'm seeing you are a doctor. I don't know why my baby loves doctor. And anytime she go to the clinic, she'll be crying. Guys, see the backyard now. See where I've reached. Maybe before they will break, you will reach. Before they go down, you will reach here. But we are happy. We are very happy that there's no snow. And the snow is here and it's still cool. I'm just going to go and try to charge my camera battery now. Eh? What is the name? Mommy, I'm going upstairs now. Baby Yoda. That your Baby Yoda is caring.
I love you so much.
Jesus, your Baby Yoda love me so much.
Yes, you are.
Baby Yoda, do you love me? Yes. But your eyes is caring.
No, he just love you.
You know, you just love me. Okay, that is so cute.
I love Elsa.
Yeah, I love Elsa. But I have this on my hand, please.
Yes.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Let me go and charge my camera.
I need my unicorn baby.
How are you going to carry all of them? Carry your unicorn baby. Carry everything.
I
You have a lot of baby. Oh. You better go and look for a nanny that will help you to be carrying them, so you can pay them. You have money, Abby?
Mom, come and to my baby.
Okay. People that have too much baby, that is how they do it.
Too much
Babies. Yeah, you have many babies.
Yes. I have one papa.
Thank God you know how to take care of your babies. Wow, look at how the thing is blowing from here.
Bye.
Camille is in school, guys. Camille is in school. Look at Michelle.
Oh, yay.
Down Michelle's window. Look at the snow. You see the snow? And it's not done yet too. But the snow full everywhere. Yes? Yeah, you can. Why are you smiling?
Yes, I be good. I finished school. Can I please play one game on your laptop? Only one.
Okay. Okay. Jill, today I have a big work to do. This is all the laundry we did yesterday. We always do big pile of laundry. So I'm going to, after folding all this, I'm going to try to take off this Isabel baby bed because she doesn't use it again. I don't know what I'm going to do with this place. But first, I'm just going to clear here and take this. You can see this is African fabric I sew for them. So I'm going to try to take it to Camille and Michelle's room. And Isabel soon is going to be here. And we have a lot of stuff here. All this thing here is what she's not using. And I say have a lot of, look at how everywhere is junk. Because I don't stay at home anymore. But today, I'm going to figure out, like all this stuff, she doesn't wear. All this one is too small. So I'm going to, is it decor? Is it decor? What did they call it? Well, I'm just going to try to take off all the small stuff she doesn't use, so I will know what she wants. I have almost 3 full luggage in my sister's room where I put all our clothes she doesn't use anymore. And today again I'm going to do more again. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the clothes. But she have started playing this morning. I still love my Christmas tree. I don't feel like taking it out, but I'm going to try to take it out. Your baby always pee in that place. Look at big bum bum. Your baby doesn't have big bum bum. Oh, go look at your baby's small bum bum. Ah, it's flushing. Good girl. So guys, I'm just gonna look for something to eat. I'm done eating now. It's time for me to start my work. First of all, I'm just gonna start bringing out the clothes I know she's not wearing anymore. Then the ones I know she's gonna still wear, I'm gonna leave those ones in the hanger. But later, I'm just gonna try to range them very well. And my little helper Isabel, she's here to help me today again. I just want to quickly show you where I am now. So I'll take all the clothes them out. So I'm trying to fix. She have too much native, that is African clothes. I don't know how I'm going to do it. This one, I don't know if I'm going to, but she's still wearing this. Me and her have this one. Yeah, I know it's yours. This one there, so my cousin sewed these ones. This is only red made, I know. I don't know if you can see fit on this one. Quickly show you guys some of the clothes my cousin sew for our little niece. She already wear this one. I don't know if you guys have seen the video. She have wear this one to church. And guys, look at this one. Let me quiet. You are making noise. Stop. You are making noise, okay? See? For Isabel, you are helping me, I know. And have rope on the waist for this beautiful baby girl. And she sewed this one too. Wow, this is so cute, guys.
I don't want my dress.
Yeah, and she have something.
Are you tired?
Yeah. My baby is ready for this summer. Where's another one?
Mommy, baby.
I don't even know where I put the other one.
Mommy, I don't
But
know.
first of all,
Mommy,
this is for the boys.
Mommy. What is for the boy?
Yeah, for the boys. I don't even know how this one is. It coming on Michelle? Come with this pants. Oh, this one is the one they sew for them.
This
one
is
is
my
I don't even know already. I don't know how this one. Though. Okay. Yeah, you find this one for the boys. I think this one is Michelle's one. I'm gonna try to check it, but I know this one is for Camille. Yeah, this one is for Camille. Come with this pint. Okay, they have already wear this one. See all your Christmas stuff. This one is for Michelle. This one come with this. Wow, mommy, you look so beautiful. You come with pants, and you come with this inner shirt. This one is for Michelle. And this is one of the pints of the other fabric. This one too. This is what they wear last time we went to church. This one is Michelle's own. I've already shown you guys before. It comes with this art. And Camille have this color, which is this one. This one is Michelle inner. Why this one is Camille's inner. So I'm just gonna try to before I so both of them have this kind of clothes. That's why I sew one, but this one is we bought it like this, red made like this. But the other one, my cousin sewed that one for Isabel, so he can match with his brother. Both of them have this, and Isabel have this one. She sewed this one for Isabel.
I have it.
Yeah, both time. Is it? But mommy, don't enjoy yourself, please. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is where I am now. So I have all our tops and long sleeve sweater, and I have all our native church clothes, church wear here. Everything is over here, and at the bottom here all our underwear is there. And for this side I put all our summer art, all our bead, all our hair stuff is there. And here I have all our sleeping clothes. And yeah, I have some of our leggies, short, jeans pants, and short over there. And in this section is all our sweater I collect from my brother. So I took some clothes that both of them are not wearing again. Long sleeve, I know she can wear them. No, she can wear at home. So I put them there. It's still big. She cannot wear it now. So I'm just going to continue. Then I'll show you what I've done. There's nothing there anymore. So I'm going to dismantle it or whatever they call it. Take it out. I'm taking it. I'm going to try to. This is my job today. I'm just going to try to figure out how I'm going to do it. And some of the shoes she's not wearing again, I'm going to take them out. And see every mess. Like this pile. She doesn't wear those things anymore. We don't need those things upstairs, yeah? And all these are babies or teddy bears. I'm going to leave them. But this is the pile of the clothes we don't need here. So I'm done with our closet now. It's time for me to dismantle this bed just to separate them. So that's what I'm doing now. So guys, it's 2:41 now. Since morning, I'm still working. I managed to dismantle the bed. I'm going to carry it like, I don't know if it's going to break. Maybe I'm going to take this one out now. But I've managed to separate them. See? Our neighbor just came to inform us that police people are giving tickets for people that park outside. And our van is outside. Guys, see. It's 3 o'clock now. Look at what is going on. And I'm not even done with my work. And it's snowing. I don't know how I'm going to drive. Hey, Jesus. Guys, see. See this. See this. See my garage. See everywhere. This kind of snowstorm, is full. Guys, see everywhere. I don't know I'm going to. So, because I don't know if I can even park here. God. So we are the only one that park outside. We don't even know what is going on. Hey guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. How am I going to drive this? It's going to help me. And my husband is at work now. I cannot leave. Guys, I'm inside. I'm inside the van. How am I going to drive this? Mama is out. See, no way. I can't even see in my bag. See, everywhere is full. What am I going to do? So guys, let me see if I can do this. Our neighbor, they have came to help us. I don't know. Because my husband is at work. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm going to do again. I'm tired. But I'm just going to try to see. I'm just going to drive to see. It's still in my back. If I can be able to. Oh God, I feel like crying. Let's do this. My neighbor is helping me. He asked me to go and drive around and come back. Hey, this kind of snowstorm. Today one is the worst. Guys, we did it. Guy, van here. When I get to the main road, the van sees. God. Jesus, thank God my car is inside the garage. The airports, they really try. Good neighbor. I'm so tired. And I was so scared today, guys. So I'm back to work now. I'm just sweeping before I vacuum this place. Then I'm going to start cleaning everywhere. The windows and the decks. Is it snowing?
Can I help you clear your room?
I don't even know if I can be able to go to store tomorrow.
No, you you can't.
Because it's
Look at it.
snow
Look
is
at
too
the
much.
swing. The trampoline behind there that Dad covered is gone.
It's gone. It's covered. Sure. The swimming pool is
Who would want to go to
almost
school on this
open
kind
again.
of weather?
Yeah, that's where the council.
I could have fallen down and get a frostbite. I would turn to solid ice. That's what happens when you get a frostbite.
Snowman.
No, you
We
turn
use it
to
to do
ice.
snowman.
You turn to ice. It's a frostbite.
So guys, it's 5 o'clock and your girl is still working. But this is where I am now. I just want to show you guys. This is where she brought she brought her makeup and put it there. So I put some of my handbag over there. The ones I know I'm not using, don't use it always. The ones I use is where my shoe is. So I put those one there, and over there is all Isabel shoe, boot, and sandal. Can be able to go there and view the backyard from there. Can even see the swimming pool. Can we even open that place? So that place is empty now. And yeah, I have Isabel. That is her first bag. I was pregnant when my husband bought this bag for her, so she have not started using it. So cute. So this one is here, and I have some reading book over here for her and her brothers. And this our personal Bible. So for Isabel's session now, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm done in this place. This place is done. In future, we are planning to put little chair, just 2 chair here, and little coffee table. This was going to do here. I love this. I'm not going to take it out. I love this because Isabel stuff is still here, so I'm just going to leave these stickers. I love it. So I'm going to end the vlog, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting us. We love you guys and we appreciate you. Bye.